My little peanut. The emotional roller coaster is getting worse by the day. The doctors are concerned about your development, so we have to go to many different checkups. High-risk pregnancy department, genetical tests, MRI, and every 3 weeks a special ultrasound to monitor your brain. We are constantly hearing that we are going into a disaster. Every doctor is recommending us to stop the pregnancy right away, and over again we are told that you have an extremely high risk for brain damage, or that you might have a handicap that is so severe that you will not be able to live. With every doctor and every check, I can see how your father gets more and more terrified. On our way home from the last check, he told me that he has the feeling we are growing a little elephant man in my belly.